The car's been like this for like 2 days? That's funny.
Yeah.
How did you lose the key? Who knows, huh?
But I don't know. I got a new puppy, so I have a feeling like I set the keys on the couch or something. And I mean, we tore the house up.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. And we were going to do it yesterday, but we were all a little hungover. So I'm like, fuck it. Like, I'll just get the key. And with my luck, it'll pop up.
Yeah, as soon as I'm done.
Yeah.
Did you throw the puppy in the car to see if the car starts?
Yeah. What's that? I'm sorry?
Did you throw the puppy in the car to see if it starts?
Oh, no.
If he ate it?
See if she ate it. Yeah,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, gosh.
Door from this little area. So. Yeah, either way, I'm going to pick it because I'm going to cut that door key for you.
Oh, cool. Okay. So you don't need to do a remote unlock?
No, it's fine.
Okay, cool. Do you want a water or anything?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, I'll grab you a water. I'll be right back.
I appreciate it. Oh shit! There you go. It opened and I let go. So gotta pick it again. All right. Got that picked. Let me read these cuts. Alrighty, let's cut this key. 04 36 42 Alright, let's get done. Palisade 2020 smart key. Yes. Control unit, kilo system. Okay, we're gonna do smart key learning. All keys will be erased. Checking network. Come on. There we go. PIN code. All right, guys, we're all done. Car starts. All right, it's all done. You put me on the clock, so I had to I said you put me on the clock, so I had to just get it done, you know?
Yeah.
The door key should work too.
No worries.
Let's see.
Working now.
Yeah. I don't know why I did it like that, but. All ready?
As long as it works.
Yeah.
I'm back in business.
Back in business. All right. Have a good New Year, okay? Thank you. Anytime.